Kamusta guys? Meron na naman tayong nakitang video ni Jerome Bardome. Galing ito sa channel ni Powerplay TV. Ayan guys, bago tayo magsimula, inaanyayahan ko kayo na mag-subscribe sa channel ni Powerplay TV. Ayan, suportahan natin yung kanyang mga content. Lalo na yung mga content niya about kay Jerome Bardome. Ayan, panoorin natin to guys. Excited na ako mag-react dito. Ito yung video na posibilidad na pagsali ni Jerome Bardome sa The Voice USA.
This video is a fan-made, imaginative creation and is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or connected to The Voice
Galing din mag-edit nito ni Powerplay TV.
USA, NBC AGT, or any official production or organization.
All scenarios, events, and interpretation
Yan, forward natin ng konti guys. Mahaba yung kanyang intro.
The old hometown looks the same as I stepped out from the train.
Ganda rin itong kinanta ni Jerome dito no, sa Itbulaga.
Before we talk about The Voice USA, we need to understand why Jerome is built for this level of competition.
Papa, down the road I look and there runs Mary.
His vocal range is clean, powerful, and emotional.
Is it true to touch the green
Lahat ng sinabi ni Powerplay TV tama. Dun sa quality ng boses ni Jerome Bardome.
grass of home?
He has that rare tone that instantly connects, whether he sings Elvis, gospel, ballads, or modern pop classics.
Creatures smiling sweetly. Oh, it's good now.
Ito naman sa RJ Bistro. Mga ano pala to, compilation guys, ng mga video ni Jerome Bardome.
The end is near, and so I face
Jerome's strength isn't just technique, it's storytelling.
friend.
Parang si Elvis pag kumakanta.
I'll state my case.
Storytelling yung kanyang talagang technique no sa pagkanta. Kaya kumukonect talaga sa tao.
Of which I'm certain.
Every note feels intentional. And in a competition like The Voice, where coaches base their decisions solely on what they hear, this becomes a massive advantage.
Regrets, I made a few, but then again,
What makes Jerome
Isa
exceptional
to sa mga paborito kong kinanta ni Jerome, tong My Way. Ang linis ng pagkakanta niya dito sa may RJ Bistro. Live pa to guys live pa to, hindi pa studio version. Paano na pagka studio version pa, di ba?
is not just his ability to hit notes, it's the way he shapes them. His phrasing feels deliberate. His vibrato is controlled and natural.
I planned each shot it grows, each
Parang may alam din talaga sa music to si Powerplay TV. Alam niya yung technique ni Jerome no, yung vibrato. Yun nga yung madalas sinasabi ni Jerome, yung kanyang pinapractice. Yung minamaster niya talaga yung technique ni Elvis Presley, yung sa vibrato.
careful.
His transitions between soft, gentle passages and powerful, belting moments are smooth and effortless. But perhaps Jerome's greatest weapon is emotion. He doesn't just sing a song, he tells a story.
May emosyon. Tsaka yung charisma syempre, 'di ba? Parang si Elvis.
Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew.
Every performance feels like a journey. You can sense the intention behind every line, the feeling behind every crescendo, and the honesty behind every quiet moment.
Light it up and spit it out. I faced it all.
This is the kind of emotional storytelling that The Voice USA thrives on. Because in the blind auditions, the coaches cannot see you, they can only feel you through your
Tama. Kasi nakatalikod sila eh, no? Boses lang talaga yung binabasihan nila doon sa The Voice.
voice.
And I stood tall and did it my way.
And Jerome's voice has that rare ability to make listeners pause, reflect, and connect.
Tama. Dahil pagka nakatalikod sila, isipin nila parang Elvis talaga to, yung boses Pagka hindi nila nakikita si Jerome, no? Pag pinakinggan lang yung timbre ng boses, malapit na malapit talaga yung boses niya kay Elvis.
I've laughed and cried. I've had my fill, my share of blues.
It's the kind of voice that could make a coach hit their button before the first chorus even arrives.
And did it my way.
Golden buzzer. Galing.
Oh, in love.
Ito, gustong gusto ko yung hairstyle niya dito, ni Jerome dito eh. Parang feeling ko mas bagay itong hairstyle niya dito. Kasi yung regular na hairstyle niya parang afro eh, no? Natural yung ano niya, yung pagiging kulot niya. Ito bagay sa kanya, parang may pagka-Elvis to, naka-brush up.
No, I'm never gonna fall.
Jerome also brings versatility, something vital for progressing in a long singing competition.
Don't make me fall in love.
He can shift from soulful
Galing ng birit niya dun. Ito ba yung tinatawag yung guys? Meron kasi nag-comment dati na yung technique na yun, tawag daw squeak. Yan, kung di ako nagkakamali dun sa nag-comment.
to classical, from pop to theatrical.
I found a girl
Good shit.
for me. Darling, just dive right in.
Kinanta niya yun sa concert sa Muntinlupa, SM.
Follow my lead.
From modern ballads to nostalgic classics.
Only fools rush in.
Ito yung unang salang niya sa Itbulaga.
All while keeping his identity intact. Many singers sound different depending on the genre. Jerome sounds like himself no matter what song he chooses.
Take my hand, take my whole life.
Ito yata yung kantang pumutok sa internet eh. Dito siya nag-viral eh.
And that level of vocal identity is a hallmark of a true artist.
Falling in love with you.
So when we imagine Jerome stepping onto the Voice USA stage, we're not just imagining a performance. We're imagining an artist with a rare combination of skill, emotion, tone, and authenticity, all qualities that make him an extraordinary contender for one of the
Si PaceX TV tsaka si Powerplay TV parang sila, same ng content Parehas yung nila, technique na ginagamit nila, atake nila, yung settings na ginagawa nila sa paggawa ng content. Pati audio. 'Di ba? AI yata 'to.
biggest vocal competitions in the world.
They shine for you. And then settle down, feeling right. are they now? Settling to routine. Where you
Let's go!
my northern attitude and be something.
Mapaikot kaya yung mga judges kay ano? Jerome Bardome kagaya niyan.
The Voice USA is unlike any other singing competition. Before the cameras, before the standing ovations, before the spotlight.
Ano ba nauna? The Voice o American Idol? Ayan, i-comment nyo nga guys sa mga nakakaalam.
There is only one thing that matters in those first 90 seconds. The voice. No appearance, no backstory, no bias, just pure vocal truth. And this is exactly where Jerome becomes a different kind of contender. Jerome's strength has always been his ability to make people feel something the moment he opens his mouth.
And these fools will rush in.
May plano kaya si Jerome na mag-audition dito sa may The Voice USA. Ayan, sana meron, no? Tignan natin kung talagang may chance. Pero sa tingin ko, malaking chance ni Jerome. Kung Elvis Presley yung kanyang mga kakantahin.
Put your head on my shoulder.
His tone is clean, warm, emotional. A tone that doesn't just fill a room, it settles into the hearts of the people listening.
It's good night, baby. Put your head on my shoulder.
Galing nun, no? Mababa yung boses pero may kulot-kulot.
On the voice stage, where coaches listen with their backs turned and judge only the sound they hear, this becomes a massive advantage. Now imagine Jerome stepping into that silence. The red lights, the pressure, the expectations, and then the very first note. A note so clear and controlled that it stops the coach's mid-breath.
Daming nanonood sa The Voice. Parang ang laki nung ano nila, no? Nung stage.
Maybe I didn't treat you
Galing Ang galing ng pagkaka-edit.
as good as I should have.
Ang galing naman ng pagkaka-edit nito. Kala mo si Jerome talaga yung kumakanta dun sa stage, yung mga reaction ng mga judges dito sa The Voice. Kala mo talagang nagre-react sila kay Jerome. Ano lang to guys parang fan-made video.
A note that is soulful enough to make John Legend lean forward,
John
warm
Legend.
enough to make Kelly Clarkson smile, and powerful
Kelly
enough to make
Clarkson.
Blake Shelton glance at the other coaches,
Si Blake Shelton. Yung isa sino yun?
knowing they've all heard something special. Blake Shelton, he'd recognize Jerome's classic influences, Elvis, timeless ballads, the kind of artistry Blake deeply respects. Kelly Clarkson,
Ito, afro yung buhok ni Jerome dito Parang mga 70s. 70s style.
she lives for singers with emotional storytelling. Jerome would check every box: tone,
Pati yung
heart,
damit.
technique, soul. John Legend, his ear for soulful, expressive voices is razor sharp. Jerome's vocal color fits exactly the kind of tone John fights for on his
Galing mag-analyze ni Powerplay TV Gaganda ng mga komento niya kay Jerome.
team. And any pop coach, whether it's Ariana Grande, Neil Horan, or Gwen Stefani, would instantly see Jerome's versatility, his ability to handle modern pop,
Sino ba latest ngayon na mga horado sa The Voice USA? Marami na kasi, nagpalit-palit na.
classical crossover, or emotional theatrical pieces gives him potential far beyond a single genre. Jerome wouldn't just get a chair turn. He wouldn't just surprise one or two coaches. With the right song, with the right emotional delivery, with that signature tone that stops people in their tracks, Jerome could earn the ultimate moment on the voice stage, a four-chair turn.
Maybe I didn't treat you.
Nako, pag ito yung kinanta ni Jerome Bardome. Maganda ito yung ano niya, pang audition niya, no? Dito sa The Voice.
What as good as I should have.
Ayun, no? Napapindot.
Little love.
Wow.
Little thing
Tatlo kagad.
I should have said.
Lumingon.
And
Napatayo yung mga hurado. Pero meron mga content creator na magaling sa ganito eh. Parang yung pagkaka-edit nila, akala mo talaga ano no. Yung mga hurado doon nagre-react sa kumakanta.
You were always on my mind.
Lilis eh. Wow, napawawi yung isa. Yung sa vocalist ng ano yun, di ba? Ng Maroon 5. And sabi ni Powerplay TV, what if Jerome decided to join The Voice instead of AGT?
In the real world, Jerome may choose to appear on AGT,
Ang dami niya pwede salihan eh. AGT, BGT, diba? Meron pa bang American Idol?
a stage
better
known for
done.
variety acts, theatricality, and showmanship, and he can make an impact. But imagine a parallel path. Imagine if Jerome didn't choose AGT. His next big opportunity? The Voice USA. The Voice would allow him to focus on vocal purity, avoid distraction from non-singing acts, get mentoring from world-class artists,
Di ba si Simon dati American Idol bago nag BGT?
build his identity as a powerful vocalist, perform full-length songs instead of shortened AGT versions. In fact, some fans believe that The Voice might
Snoop Dogg.
actually be an even better fit for him.
Si Gwen Stefani. Yan, coach by coach. Analysis.
If Jerome joined The Voice USA, which coach would fight the hardest for him? Let's break it down.
Is on my mind. You were always on my mind.
Pag-aagawan kaya si Jerome ng mga coach. Kadalasan nangyayari to pagka bet na bet nila, no? Yung contestant.
John Legend. John Legend values tone, control, and emotional connection. Jerome checks all three. John
Magaling na
could help
singer
him
to
refine
si John
soul,
Legend.
phrasing, and performance confidence.
Ano nga yung pinasikat na kanta nito ni John Legend? Hindi ko maano yung pamagat pero yung tono. Parang All of Me ba yun? Parang ganun.
Kelly Clarkson. Kelly loves powerful singers. She mentors vocalists who are heartfelt and technically strong. Jerome would be
Ito American Idol yata to si Kelly Clarkson.
a perfect match for her coaching style. Blake Shelton. Blake might
Shelton.
surprise you. He respects old school vocals and classic influences. Jerome's Elvis tone would earn Blake's respect
Parang mga country song to Si Blake.
instantly.
Blake Shelton is our only coach in voice history who has been a part of all 23 seasons.
Pop/R&B coach. A pop or R&B coach would see Jerome's crossover potential. They would help him modernize his
Yung si Ariana, naging ano rin pala siya, coach.
sound and reach new audiences.
My goodness.
Ito yung magandang tanong. Could Jerome win The Voice?
Let's talk about the real question. Could Jerome Everdome win The Voice USA? The Voice has crowned winners with big voices, emotional delivery, and original tone. Jerome fits this pattern perfectly. His strengths, emotional
Si Michael Bublé ba yun? Naging ano rin pala siya, no? Coach.
connection, wide vocal range, strong storytelling, unique tone, international fan base. With consistent song choices and strong coaching, Jerome could easily become a finalist and even a fan favorite to win.
Tama, kailangan ni Jerome ng magaling na ano, co-coach sa kanya. Magte-train pa para mas ano pa, mas lumupit pa yung kanyang skills, no, sa pagkanta. Sa tingin ko nga meron pang iaan yung boses niya eh. Kumbaga parang hindi pa, siguro mga nasa 90%, 100% kailangan mailabas niya bago siya sumalang dito sa ano, sa The Voice USA. Pero malaking tsansa talaga na makapasok si Jerome dito. Lalo kung Elvis yung kanya makakakantahin.
If Jerome joined The Voice USA and achieved massive success, imagine the opportunities. International record deals, viral performances on YouTube, worldwide fan base, collaborations with major artists, US
Dami na nga nakakilala kay Jerome eh. Marami na nagre-react sa kanya. Simula nung sumali siya sa The Clones.
tours, concerts, and global exposure, more covers, original songs, and big stage moments. The Voice wouldn't just help him grow, it would elevate him into an artist known around the world. So what if Jerome Everdome joins The Voice USA? He has the talent, he has the voice, he has the heart, and if he ever chooses this path, the world may witness one of the most
Yan, meron siyang talent, meron siyang voice, meron siyang heart. Yan, sabi ni Powerplay TV.
unforgettable performances in the history of the show. Would you like to see Jerome audition for The Voice USA? Let me know in the comments.
Yun ang tanong. Gusto nyo ba guys na makita si Jerome Everdome na mag-audition sa The Voice USA? Yan, i-comment nyo nga guys.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.
Napakagandang content nito galing kay Powerplay TV. Ayan guys huwag nyo kalimutang mag-subscribe sa channel ni Powerplay TV. At ganun din sa ating munting channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating ire-react na video ni Jerome Everdome at ng iba pang mga Pinoy artists. Paano? Hanggang dito na muna guys. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.